Let's get started. On this video, we will create an organization, start a discussion, and make a decision. I'm going to start by logging in. I've already entered my username and password. You can see my actual organizations screen. This is where I come once I log in. I have several organizations that I'm part of. On some of them, I'm an administrator. We're going to create a new organization. If I create an organization, I'm the person who can make decisions to change who's members and to delete it if necessary. We're creating an awesomely ethical organization here. Now that I've created the organization, I can administrate it or I can leave. But in this case, we want to start having a discussion with our team as soon as possible. There are no discussion items yet, so I will add a discussion. In the discussion item, I start by giving a description. So once I've entered the description of the discussion, I can save it. Now let's imagine that another person in our organization wants to add to the discussion. They can add feedback. The feedback system works like most forums. So now we have a response in our discussion. This could carry on for quite a while. Often discussions in the different organizations that I am part of may go on for months. But when we're ready, we can move it from discussion to proposal. We do that by changing the status. So I've clicked Edit, and now I will go to Status, change it from discussion to a proposal. In this case, the description needs to change as well. Suddenly, this is no longer just a discussion. It has become a proposal. If we look up on the top of the screen, we can see that it will appear in our list of proposals. There it is. It has one piece of feedback, in this case the comment that arrived when it was still a discussion. let's say that I want to add more feedback. I might say, this is a great idea. But perhaps I also see some danger here. In that case, I can add feedback just as I added the comment and consent pieces of feedback. Or I can go up in the upper right and click on the danger bar. Once you see that there has been a danger comment added to your proposal, you know that you want to resolve that before you move on. It's not ready to become a decision. So I would expect the proposal to be changed or clarified before we moved it to decision. In this case, let's imagine that we've had some further discussion about how the company is going to be created. If the danger is no longer present, you can edit the comment and change it to concerns or consent. Once enough people have looked at it and you have no danger signals standing in the way, it may be time to change it from a proposal to a decision. And there it is. If we look at our decisions list, we can see starting Awesome Ethics as a company has been shifted to a decision. Of course, we probably want to edit some of the information there so that we know when to come back to this decision to review it in the future. And there you have it. We started by making it a discussion. Our team carried out the discussion online. Eventually, we turned it into a proposal. And from after we raised some concerns and resolved them, we were able to move it to decisions. Now we can consult our list of decisions at any time and see if we have any items coming up that we need to review. Those can be added to meeting agendas or discussed in person or online. You can easily take a decision that's ready for review and turn it back into a proposal. And there you go. We created an organization, started a discussion, made a decision, and we've come back now a year later to review the decision. There are plenty more you can do in eConsensus, but that's the core. I hope you enjoy.